In the garment manufacturing industry, to ensure the quality of products leaving the factory, manufacturers set up strict control procedures for each production process and assign quality control personnel at the factory end to audit the first line of the process. Despite the rise of factory automation, most garment factories still rely on a large number of workers. The trend is to make all production processes traceable and transparent through real-time, rapid communication and linkage between machines. Our Oshima QC1 smart inspection and belt sorting system is both efficient and economical, reduced manual operations, achieving operational goals such as automated distribution, lower material handling and order fulfillment costs, and shorter delivery times. The system takes up little space and can be easily integrated into existing production lines with remote control, effectively managing the production line on site to maintain high product yields, making it the most effective solution for your quality control inspection. The ON688CD6 is equipped with a 10-point probe as standard, and the ON688P is equipped with a 180-degree front, back flip and a 90-degree left-right rotation for a more thorough inspection to meet international brand inspection requirements. The ON688CD6 automatically stops every 2 hours for calibration to ensure inspection sensitivity, and restarting the machine requires personal confirmation by the manager to increase business safety. After the needle inspection, the belt conveyor automatically sends the finished product to the scanner for sorting management, and non-conforming items will be rejected at the end of the sorting line. Generally, the sorting operation in the clothing factory accounts for 30% to 40% of the entire distribution center operating time. QC1 can work continuously regardless of weather, time, or tiredness to maximize efficiency, and can sort up to 3,000 items per hour, compared to a maximum of 120 to 150 items per hour with manual inspection. The ONCM scanner supports data storage and offers report import and export functions, allowing management staff to stop relying on the records of frontline personnel. ONCM supports barcode recognition of goods, and supports a variety of mixed code technologies, allowing multiple parameters to be entered. The error rate of the barcode depends on the accuracy of the information entered for sorting, unless the barcode is printed incorrectly. Necessary to automate the operation process in the factory and to build the factory of the future. Our Oshima QC1 system includes our industry-leading metal detection and inspection system, conveyor belt system, intelligent sorting system and automatic rejecting system. The system can also be flexibly customized according to factory requirements, such as adding rejection devices or choosing to install RFID identification systems. Oshima QC1 can perform real-time monitoring, data visualization and transparent management, to provides the best solution for your factory and helps to maintain high-quality levels. Oshima, let us work together to create a better tomorrow. Quality is made, but also tested.